Mar ote machok ma en ariyo adek auchiel nono. Jatend duond bura mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka wacho ni od bura mamalo notimo gima ber e kadho lipot mar komiti mar twak mano NADCO. Kalonzo mane lose liel moro katangi e kar chung od bura mayata Machakos oyuore mabende no yuore kod jotelo mathoth. Omedo ni en gima nyiso ni Azimio kod Kenya Kwanza noko ketho saa margi e bedo kod komiti mar twak kendo golo paro mar bero piny Kenya.
Your grandfather, Beleo.
To Sarah, akubali hiyo maneno ya huyo.
Munapoenda pale munaenda DG.
We cannot add taxes. What we are trying to do as the government, as the county government of Machakos, we are trying to tighten our rope. Kuokota tu ile kwa suppose kufanya nini? Kuokotewa, but we cannot think of adding taxes to them. Kwa hivyo mimi namwambia Mheshimiwa Rais, ujue kama unataka maneno ikulu huku down, mwaga vitu huku chini, watu wapate, watu watulie.
Najua dunia siku hizi, if you are not talking gender, you're actually backward. So while we congratulate Machakos County, to the next extent Nakuru County, for being in the forefront of making sure there is gender balance, let us not take it. And you know, I've just come from the National Dialogue Committee, and I want to thank your members. Naona mlipitisha jana your report. And one of the things we are dealing with is how do you deal with this issue of gender balance? 2/3 gender. 2/3 gender rule. Machakos iliwasaidia, but now, as Bishop has said, don't quote him out of context. Kwanza kusema watu wa Machakos wamekaliwa na kina mama, no.
Moko kuom senators mag kweth mar